Hello everybody, welcome to Monday Market Must Knows. My name is Merlin Rothfeld, and here are 3 things to pay attention to for the upcoming trading week. Now, first and foremost, we know that the Fed drives everything, right? Don't fight the Fed. Well, Jerome Powell will be speaking this week, and that's our first Monday Market Must Knows. He has actually 2 engagements which are very important with regards to stimulus going forward. The first one will happen on Tuesday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. That's for the Senate Banking Committee. The second one happens on Wednesday, same time. That's for the House Financial Services Committee. So basically just going across the hall to speak to different people. Bottom line is most of those presentations will probably be right around the same topic. It's about stimulus. Last week we heard about Janet Yellen saying, hey, we need more stimulus. That might put a little bit of pressure on the Fed to say something very, let's just say, optimistic with regards to them supporting the economy. Now, bottom line is we don't know which way it's going to go, but at that time, around 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on both Tuesday and Wednesday, be careful because you could see some significant moves in the markets based off of the testimony by Jerome Powell. Now, speaking of Wednesday, let's dive even deeper into that day because it's going to be a busy one. Crude oil inventories takes the slate. Now, why is this important? Well, first let me give you the date. Crude oil inventories is right after Jerome Powell speaks on Wednesday. So 10:30 on Wednesday is when that announcement comes out. Here's why it's so critical. In Texas right now, we're having a massive freezing storm. Everything is shut down. That is halting production at refineries all through Texas. Now, of course, California can suffice on their own, but still, oil prices are rising. Here's the crude oil inventories data, and you can see for the past 10 weeks, there have been contractions in supply, and I expect this to actually expand even further into the negative simply because factories are offline. You've already seen the national average in gas prices rise from $2.11 back in, well, let's just say December to $2.60 as of last week. That's a pretty significant rise, and all it has to do with is oil prices. Now, let's move on to earnings calendar, which has a lot this week. Last week, we had 500 announcements. It's a busy week. Woo! Let's get started. We have Palo Alto Networks, Occidental Petroleum, and Marathon Oil reporting on Monday. Tuesday brings you Square. I'm very interested in that one since they've been very open to cryptocurrency payments and their price has gone parabolic since. You also have Home Depot, Macy's, Medtronic, and Intuit. Wednesday brings us NVIDIA, Lowe's, Network Appliances, TJ Maxx and Companies. Thursday ushers in Salesforce, Etsy, Best Buy, Workday, Dell, VMware, and Anheuser-Busch. A lot of people staying at home drinking their problems away. And on Friday, we have Cronus, one of the big names in the cannabis space, Foot Locker, and Berkshire Hathaway. For those of you who have a couple $100,000 sitting around to buy one share, he'll be making an announcement and reporting their earnings as well. That, my friends, is your Monday Market Must Knows. We'll see you next week.